Manufacturing activity is getting its own Trump boost, and here to tell us more is Damian Fernandes from TD Asset Management. What are we looking at today, Damian?
Sarah, well, today we're looking at the ISM Manufacturing Index. And what this is that every month the Institute of Supply Management asks a whole bunch of purchasing managers and supply executives from a variety of different industries, construction, equipment manufacturing, furniture manufacturers, what their end demand is. And so let's think about who purchasing managers and supply executives are. They actually are the people responsible for buying raw materials that go into making finished products. So if they're seeing end demand increase, what that really means is that the customers those businesses are selling to are demanding more product. So it's actually one of the best leading indicators for US economic activity because it actually leads what the economy will be doing in the next few quarters or months.
So, and there's this line of 50 here. Can you explain where we are relative to that and where we've been historically?
Sure. So what 50 really represents is, so this index is a percentage index in the sense that right now we're at 56%. That means 56% of purchasing managers across a variety of industries in the US are telling you activity has increased over the last month. So historically, the line 50 represents where trend activity is. In the US, about 2.5% and 3%. So whenever we're above 50, it means we're growing above trend. So the fact that we've spiked up, particularly post the Trump election, what it really means is that activity, leading indicators of economic activity, are accelerating, and we should expect US growth to improve from here on out.
And if I'm an investor, why do I care about this right now?
Well, a few things, right? If you're an investor and you want to know one thing about the direction of the stock market, just tell me where the ISM Manufacturing Index is going. Because historically, this index has had an 86% correlation with year-on-year changes in the S&P 500. And it really makes sense because if activity is increasing, it means sales are increasing, it means earnings are increasing, etc. Historically, what you find is that you see these little blue bars here, those indicate recessions in the US. And the ISM has generally led those blue bars by a few months or quarters. We're doing the opposite now. In fact, we're actually the highest level since November 2014. So activity in the US, leading indicators of activity are accelerating, which means we should expect economic growth to be a lot more positive in the coming quarters, which means earnings, sales, fundamental factors that support US stock prices should be better.
Thank you very much.
No problem.